Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 31st of January. So let's start. Taurus, your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Let's see what this person is feeling for you, Taurus. Okay. Page of Cups. Oops. Apology. Brand new love feelings. Brand new emotions are emerging. So this person is developing some kind of brand new feelings for you, and they might be shocked that it's like they were not ready for this kind of feelings for you, but they are feeling like this. Okay, I have to clarify the Page of Cups. Let me clarify. They feel like apologizing to you for something, Taurus. Okay, they're missing you. They're feeling lots of love for you. This is something new for them. This is something new for them. They were not feeling this kind of this type of love. Okay, this is something different. Let me clarify. Nine of Cups and the Seven of Cups and lots of cups and the Eight of Pentacles. They feel like you are their wish fulfillment. They feel like you are the one from all of the universe that makes them happy. Might be this person was trying new options as well, and might be this person was talking to somebody else as well. I don't know, but they feel like you are the one who really makes them happy. You gives them the happiness. They feel like working on this connection with you, making efforts to make this connection work out finally. So I'm saying finally because from a hell lot of time Taurus is getting some kind of negative readings. Okay, so but I this could be somebody new who's brand new in your life, and they feel like you are their wish fulfillment, and you were exploring so many options and now this particular person is stuck on you. It could be possible like this as well, but for most of you I feel like this is somebody who is connected to you from might be long time. Now they are realizing that you are their wish fulfillment. You really make them happy. From lots of people around them, you are the one who make them happy. Okay, you are their wish fulfillment. They are developing some kind of new feelings for you. Let me see what you feel for this person, Taurus. I'm having cold. Fucking cold. Oh, Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups, sorry. You feel like walking away from this person? What? You feel like walking away is the best option. Might be you are tired of waiting for this person. Might be you're like, I don't want to wait anymore. I don't want to waste any more time on this connection or on this person. They are not coming in anyway, so I'm just walking away. You feel like walking away from this connection for the time being, at least. Let me clarify. You do have feelings for this person, Taurus, but you are walking away because you feel like this is not what you wanted, or this is not what you had expected from this person. So walking away is the only solution here. Let me clarify. Two of Cups and the Ten of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. Definitely this is something ending. There was a soul connection. There was a soul connection that was at stake, or and that ended. There was something that ended in the past, or that you are ending right now. This is a soul connection. You are feeling like, yeah, this is a soul connection, and you are ending this soul connection, and you are choosing freedom. You are choosing to be single. You are choosing like, I am going to better work on myself, on my money, on my everything. I'm not going to waste further time. So you are just walking away from this person, from this connection. You felt a soul connection with this person, but things ended. You feel betrayed. You feel like they did something really wrong, and you are choosing to be single again. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Taurus. Somebody betrayed you. Somebody did something wrong, and that's why you're walking away. You're just walking away, Taurus. That's a good energy. Walking away is the best solution if something is not working out. Page of Wands. This is Page of Cups, what they feel. This is Page of Wands, what they want. They want you to connect with them. They want you to talk to them. They want you to restart the connection with them. And I don't see this person wanting commitment or something like this from you. They want to start from scratch. They want you to open up to them. They want you to, you know, communicate with them, basically. Take some kind of action. That's what I'm getting. They want you to take some kind of action toward them. They're waiting for an action from your side. Let me clarify the Page of Wands. What the hell? I felt, for some of you, I feel like you were running behind this person from a very long time. Now, when you're walking away, this person wants to come back. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, Four of Wands and Three of Swords and the Ace of. I feel like this person was connected to somebody else, and that somebody else broke their heart. They could be married to somebody else, or they could be committed to somebody else. It could be possible that they were married, or they were committed to somebody else, or they were connected to somebody else, or they were commitment phobic for some of you. There was something related to commitment that was not working out. Okay, okay. There are lots of wants here. They want action from your side. They are completely heartbroken. They want action from your side. They are depressed. They are sad because of some kind of marriage or commitment issues that they are facing. Okay, with might be somebody else, or it could be possible that you wanted commitment from them, you want marriage from them, and they broke your heart. Now they want to restart the connection. And this is weird energy. This is very weird energy. Okay, Four of Wands and the Three of Swords and the Ace of Wands. This is what they want from you. Okay, so what I'm getting here is that this person broke your heart because you wanted commitment or marriage, or you want something stable, but now they are ready to begin with scratch, ready to begin from scratch. And they want you to open up with them. They want you to take some kind of action toward them. They want you to give them the opportunity to start this connection all over again. Page of Wands and Ace of Wands again. Action, lots of fire. They're passionate. This person broke your heart completely. They destroyed you, they shattered you. Now they are heartbroken. Wow, and wow, Taurus. Happy. I'm so happy for you. You are doing really well. This person broke your heart because you wanted commitment and a long term with them. Now they want this with you, but again, I don't see this person coming to you crying and saying, I want commitment, I want marriage. No, they want to start from scratch and see where it is going. Okay, they are now ready to work on this system of commitment and long term. They are just planning right now. Let's see what you want from this connection or from this person. And you want to end this connection. You remember Ten of Swords in what you are feeling. This is Ten of Swords from different deck. Light Seers. You want to end this connection. Period. You don't want this connection in your life right now, Taurus. It's like you're over. Done. Let me clarify the Ten of Swords. Okay. This is difficult. Page of Swords and the Three of Wands and the Ace of Swords. You are cutting this person out of your life. You are turning your back towards them. Okay. What you want from this person? Truth, clarity, honesty. This is what you want from this person. You're like, from my side, it's completely done. Okay, you want this person to come out of this situation of waiting, and be very truthful and bring the clarity. Bring the clarity and honesty to you. It's like this is what you want from this person, Taurus. Might be you're spying on this person's profile, and might be you know that this person is spying on you, and they're right now not talking to you. You want them to, turn their back towards you. It's like right now they're looking at some other side, or they're waiting, just waiting. You don't want them to wait any further. You want them to bring in the clarity, bring in the honesty, what they want to say honestly, what they want honestly from you. Although this connection has ended, you are you're ready to have a beginning with this. Somehow, at some point, you are feeling like, yeah, I am ready. I just want truth and clarity and honesty with this person. This is what I want from this person. I ain't want any shit. All you want from them is clarity and honesty and the truth. You want them to speak up, and you want them to be like, tell what the fuck do you want from me, what the fuck is happening, and why the hell are you just stealing my energy, what the hell is happening. You just want clarity and honesty. From your side it is done, Taurus. From your side you're done with this person. You're like, I just want to release this person, I just want to release their energy, and I want truth and honesty, nothing but truth and honesty. Okay. Wow. The cards are scattered like their energy. Okay, what to expect from this person till the 31st of January? What the hell are they going to do? Taurus, let's see. Three of Swords, Ten of Swords, Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Page of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The prominent energy here that I'm getting is Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Let's see what to expect from this person till end of Jan. Hierophant. I have to clarify this. Hierophant. This is you, Taurus. This is you. This is you. This is something stable. This is something soul touching, a soul connection. A soul connection. There is something that is. I have to clarify this, but I feel for some of you this kind of stability is coming. Finally, some kind of stability is coming to your life regarding this particular connection, this particular mess that you're dealing with right now. Let me clarify the Hierophant. Oh my god, the Hierophant. Oops. This is something very huge coming towards you, Taurus. The Hierophant is clarified by the Hierophant, the Hanged Man, the Devil card. The Devil. Could be dealing with a Capricorn or a Taurus here. The Taurus, I feel like no action is going to be taken from you or from them, but there is something that is done here. Might be some kind of addiction, possessiveness, obsessive. This person is highly obsessed over you. This person is highly obsessing over you right now. This is what I'm getting here. This person is obsessed with your thoughts. This person is obsessed with what you are doing, how you look, what you are up to, and it's like this person is obsessively following you everywhere. Like, I'm not saying this person is a murderer or a thief or something, or they are just going to stab you in your back when you're like walking down the street. No, it's like they are like heavily obsessed right now. They're thinking very very heavily. They are trying to do something about you. This is Hierophant and Hierophant. They feel like a soul connection with you. Okay, they feel like you are their soulmate. They feel like no matter how they must detach from you, they are not able to let you go. They are not able to let you go. They are obsessed with your thoughts. So I don't see any kind of action, to be very honest, from their side. Why the hell? I don't know why I'm getting here that some kind of manifestation. They are doing some kind of magic work for some of you to make you go back to them. I don't know what the hell is happening. It's like something very obsessively they are doing something behind the scenes. There's something very very obsessive here. There's something kind of toxic here. Okay, that is done. I don't see any action for let me clarify. I don't see any kind of action here to be taken from your side, but they are doing something to make you come back to them, to make you go back to them. This is what is happening here. Obsessively thinking about you, obsessed with your thoughts, obsessed with you heavily thinking about you. Okay, let's see what is the guidance for you, Taurus. Ace of Cups. Okay, I have to clarify this guidance. This Ace of Cups. I think you should love yourself first and stop being over emotional and stop being overwhelming. Stop overwhelming yourself. The Two of Swords and the Emperor and the Ace of Period. I don't want to do this reading now. Ace of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Cups. How should I clarify things if they are going to be clarified by by the same card? Don't be on the crossroads. Take a decision and let love enter your life. This is your guidance. Don't be on the crossroads, Taurus. You're on the crossroads, and just drop this ego, drop this dead face that you're carrying here. It is Aries energy, but you have to decide. You have to take a decision of opening up to new love or new energy of love, or stop being over emotional. I hope you're getting my message. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Namaste.